In this question, you have to choose the option that includes all the correct statement regarding the events that occurs during muscular contraction. Now statement A, H zone disappears. It is correct. The H zone, which is the region within the sarcomere where only thick filaments, that is myosin, are present. So during contraction, as the actin filaments slide inward, the H zone becomes narrower and can even completely disappear. Statement B, A band widens. It is incorrect. The A band, which represents the length of the thick filaments, that is myosin, and does not change in width during contraction. It remains constant because the length of the myosin filaments remains the same. Statement C, I band reduces in width. Now, this is also correct. The I band contains only thin filaments, that is actin. So, as actin slide towards the center of the sarcomere during contraction, the I bands can become narrower. Now, statement D, myosin hydrolyzes ATP, releasing the ADP and PI. Now, myosin heads hydrolyze ATP into ADP and PI, that is inorganic phosphate, which provides the energy needed for the myosin heads to perform the power stroke during muscular contraction. So it's a correct statement. Now, statement E, Z lines attaches to actins are pulled inwards. It is also correct. During contraction, the Z lines, which mark the boundaries of a sarcomere, are pulled towards the center as the actin filaments slide inward. So the sarcomere gets shortened, thus causing the muscle to contract. Hence, the correct answer is option B.